Envision a situation where the genuine universe could alert us to its horrible past and whimsical future. NASA's James Webb Telescope has recently conveyed an image so astonishing it could reshape how we view the universe forever. Unprecedented in mankind's history, we can now observe an enormous collision, two entire systems attacking each other, forming violent regions of star birth and black hole activity. But why does this matter now? Scientists are raising the alarm. These impacts don't just shape systems. They reveal hidden forces like dark matter and gravitational chaos that govern the fate of our own Milky Way. Could this be a glimpse into our distant future, or does it hold answers to how galaxies, and perhaps life itself, are formed? Colliding galaxies act as laboratories of creation and destruction on an unimaginable scale. When these titanic systems crash together, they trigger a ripple effect that reshapes the cosmic landscape. Stars don't just collide, they are born. Vast regions of gas ignite, forming starburst galaxies, while supermassive black holes at the center of each galaxy begin their merciless dance, merging into one colossal entity. This image unveils invisible gravitational distortions, cosmic dust waves, and the formation of entirely new celestial structures. These collisions provide scientists with a roadmap to how galaxies like our Milky Way evolved billions of years ago, or how they might develop in the future. The stakes couldn't be higher. Understanding these impacts could address fundamental questions about dark matter, the origins of stars, and the fate of galaxies in our ever-expanding universe. For years, researchers have speculated about the violent chaos of cosmic collisions, immense galactic events capable of reshaping the universe. However, until now, these phenomena have largely remained mysteries, hidden behind impenetrable clouds of gas and dust. The James Webb Space Telescope's recently unveiled image has pierced that veil, offering humanity a rare glimpse at one of the universe's most extraordinary forces. This isn't just about capturing a stunning image. The picture reveals the hidden mechanics of a cosmic collision. Gravitational forces tear stars from their orbits, black holes feed on surrounding material, and ferocious regions of gas trigger explosive waves of star formation. NASA describes it as a portrait of creation and destruction on an unprecedented scale. Why does this matter now? Some scientists warn this could foreshadow the possible fate of our own universe. The Milky Way is on a collision course with the Andromeda Galaxy. If we can understand the physics behind these events, we could unlock profound insights into the life cycle of galaxies and the conditions necessary for planets like Earth to exist. However, these discoveries also raise troubling questions. Could such collisions threaten regions of space critical to future exploration? Are there forces at play, such as dark matter, that we have yet to fully comprehend? Could they present dangers closer to home? NASA's involvement in capturing and analyzing this remarkable image is no accident. It is the result of decades of meticulous planning and cutting-edge innovation. The James Webb Space Telescope, a $10 billion project, is the most advanced observational instrument ever created. With its ability to operate in the infrared spectrum, it can penetrate dense cosmic dust clouds that rendered previous telescope images incomplete or blurry. This capability is vital for unlocking the secrets of cosmic collisions. But the work goes far beyond taking pictures. NASA has developed a multi-phase approach to processing, analyzing, and disseminating the vast data collected by Webb. Teams of scientists are using advanced algorithms to map gravitational distortions and simulate the physics of the collision, allowing researchers to predict how these galaxies will evolve. Meanwhile, Webb spectroscopy tools are analyzing the chemical signatures within the galaxies, offering clues about star formation and the presence of heavy elements essential for planet building. The stakes are extraordinarily high. Without this technology, crucial information about the universe's past and future would remain hidden. NASA's expertise in managing large-scale projects, combined with its access to global scientific talent and computational resources, makes it uniquely suited to tackle these challenges. No other organization has the combination of experience, tools, and infrastructure required to decipher the sheer magnitude of data Webb provides. The discovery of a galactic collision captured in such vivid, unprecedented detail is more than a milestone for astronomy. It is a breakthrough with profound implications for humanity. For scientists, this image provides the clearest evidence yet of how galaxies interact, evolve, and form new structures. The tumultuous regions illuminated in the image are where stars are born, potentially leading to the creation of planets capable of supporting life. These insights could deepen our understanding of how our own galaxy, the Milky Way, was shaped, and how it could transform in the future. But this extends far beyond theoretical science. Experts believe the data extracted from this collision could redefine our understanding of dark matter, the mysterious substance that makes up most of the universe yet remains invisible. By mapping how dark matter influences the movement and interactions of colliding galaxies, scientists may finally unlock one of the universe's greatest mysteries, a discovery that could revolutionize physics as we know it. The implications extend to technology and industry. The revolutionary techniques developed to process, analyze, and interpret Webb's findings are already paving the way for advancements in imaging, artificial intelligence, and data processing, technologies that could ripple into industries like healthcare, communications, and even climate science. If Webb can reveal the invisible forces at play in space, could similar methods be used to better understand hidden systems on Earth, such as weather patterns or disease outbreaks? Yet, the stakes are just as high for what could go wrong. If Webb's findings reveal phenomena that challenge our current understanding of physics, it could send shockwaves through the scientific community, requiring a complete reevaluation of fundamental theories. As the Milky Way is projected to collide with Andromeda in billions of years, what we learn now may determine how we prepare for the long-term survival of our species and planet. NASA, alongside an expanding alliance of international partners, is already planning how to apply these insights to future exploration. These collaborations, bridging cutting-edge technologies with shared global expertise, could mark the beginning of a new era in space exploration if the immense challenges ahead can be overcome. Much is at stake for humanity's position in the universe. The discoveries made by the James Webb Space Telescope extend far beyond scientific curiosity. They strike at the heart of humanity's future. What we learn about galactic collisions isn't just abstract physics. It's a roadmap for understanding how our own galaxy, and even our solar system, might evolve. Experts warn that these discoveries could redefine what we know about stability in the universe, shaking the foundations of our understanding of life itself. If humanity stands on the brink of a new era in space exploration, the discoveries from Webb could serve as a guiding force. But with great discovery comes great responsibility. If galactic collisions forge habitable worlds, the question arises, who will claim them? Will they be preserved for future scientific study, or will they become battlegrounds for cosmic resources? The ethical considerations stretch beyond planetary colonization. The ability to map the unseen forces shaping the universe, gravitational waves, dark matter filaments, and cosmic distortions, could empower humanity in ways once thought unimaginable. Yet these same discoveries could expose vulnerabilities we've yet to consider. What if, instead of offering opportunities, Webb's findings reveal existential threats? Hidden cosmic forces capable of destabilizing planetary systems or rendering entire regions of space uninhabitable could emerge in the near future. NASA and its global partners will need to navigate these uncertainties. The data streaming from Webb's advanced instruments will require years, if not decades, of meticulous analysis. Every frame captured, every spectrum decoded, brings us closer to answering fundamental questions about our existence. But with each answer comes new questions. Questions that could redefine not only our understanding of the universe but also our place within it. For now, the world watches in awe as the James Webb Space Telescope unveils the universe with unparalleled clarity. Its discoveries, whether confirming long-held theories or challenging the very fabric of modern astronomy, are more than scientific achievements. They are beacons, guiding humanity's journey into the vast unknown. One thing is certain, the universe has always been in motion, shaped by forces beyond our comprehension. But for the first time in human history, we are beginning to see the grand design unfold. With each new image, we inch closer to unlocking the greatest mystery of all, the fate of the universe and our role within it. As scientists, policymakers, and the public grapple with the implications of these discoveries, humanity finds itself at a crossroads. The James Webb Space Telescope's findings have the power to illuminate the path ahead, offering both hope and caution. Will we rise to the challenge, using this newfound knowledge to expand our understanding and safeguard our future? Or will the answers we uncover raise dilemmas that threaten to divide us further? In this pivotal moment, the universe itself seems to remind us of its boundless complexity and beauty, both fragile and resilient, both chaotic and orderly. The responsibility now falls on humanity to interpret, act, and ultimately find our place in this ever-evolving cosmic story. As we step further into this cosmic journey, the James Webb Space Telescope becomes not just a tool for exploration but a mirror reflecting humanity's aspirations and fears. Each image it captures, Each dataset it delivers carries with it a profound challenge: to use our growing knowledge responsibly and wisely. The universe Webb reveals is not static, it is dynamic, chaotic, and full of surprises. From the birth of stars in violent starburst regions to the merging of black holes with unimaginable energy, these processes remind us that creation and destruction are intertwined in a cosmic dance. In this dance, we find clues to the origins of our galaxy, our solar system, and perhaps even life itself. Yet, these revelations also provoke existential questions. As we better understand the forces shaping the universe, we must grapple with our place within it. Are we merely observers of this vast, unfolding narrative, or do we have a role to play in shaping its future? Could the knowledge we gain from studying cosmic collisions and the dark forces that govern them help us ensure the survival of our species, or does it come with risks we are not yet prepared to face? The collision of the Milky Way and Andromeda, projected to occur billions of years from now, serves as a distant yet inevitable reminder of the impermanence of our cosmic environment. While this event lies far beyond the lifespan of humanity as we currently know it, understanding the mechanics of such interactions could prove invaluable for our descendants, or for advanced civilizations yet to arise on Earth. Beyond the scientific and philosophical implications, the technological ripple effects of Webb's discoveries are already reshaping industries. The same algorithms used to analyze galactic collisions can be adapted to optimize machine learning systems, improve environmental monitoring, or even refine medical imaging. The ability to map the unseen, whether it be dark matter in space or microscopic processes on Earth, opens doors to innovation across countless fields. But as we unlock these capabilities, we face critical ethical challenges. Who decides how this knowledge is applied? How do we ensure that its benefits are shared equitably? If space exploration becomes a race for resources, will it exacerbate inequalities on Earth, or will it inspire new frameworks for global collaboration? The answers to these questions will define the next chapter of humanity's story. The James Webb Space Telescope is not just showing us the universe, it is challenging us to reconsider our role within it. The images it provides are more than glimpses into the cosmos, they are windows into our own potential. They remind us that we are not isolated from the vastness of space but deeply connected to it, shaped by the same forces that govern the stars and galaxies. As we move forward, the responsibility lies with us to use this newfound perspective to build a future that honors the profound interconnectedness of all things. The discoveries Webb continues to make will undoubtedly reshape science, technology, and our understanding of existence. But it is up to humanity to decide how these revelations will influence our actions, our priorities, and our dreams. The universe, in all its complexity and mystery, is inviting us to explore and to reflect. It offers a canvas on which we can paint the next era of human achievement, guided by curiosity, collaboration, and a deep respect for the unknown. With each image and each insight, we take another step toward understanding not just the cosmos but our place within it. The journey is far from over, and the stakes could not be higher. The cosmos beckons, and humanity stands at the threshold of an era that could redefine our very existence.